Hey friends! I will help you practice your English. Let's start today's conversation. You can change the speed, turn on the captions and pause the video whenever you like. Enjoy!
Thanks for inviting me over, Sam. Your living room looks really nice.
Oh, thank you. I just did some rearranging last weekend. Do you want some tea?
Yes, that would be great. I love tea.
Here you go. So how's everything going?
Pretty good. Work has been busy, but otherwise, all is well. How about you?
Same here. Work is always hectic, but I try to make time for myself.
That's important. By the way, I noticed some construction happening near your house. What's going on?
Oh yeah, the owner is renovating the place. I think they're adding a new balcony.
That sounds nice. It's always good to upgrade.
Yeah, but the noise in the morning is terrible. I wake up so early now.
I can imagine. I hate waking up to drilling and hammering.
Exactly. I was thinking of going away for the weekend to escape it for a bit.
That's a great idea. Where are you planning to go?
Maybe a short trip to the mountains, just to relax.
That sounds perfect. I love the mountains. Fresh air, peace, and no city noise.
Exactly. What about you? Any weekend plans?
Nothing special. Just planning to clean up my place and maybe watch a movie.
Oh, that sounds nice too. I love movie nights at home.
Me too. Hey, have you seen that new action movie everyone is talking about?
Not yet, but I really want to. Have you?
Yes. It was really good. You should watch it.
Maybe I'll watch it this weekend.
If you do, let me know what you think.
Sure. Hey, I should probably start cooking dinner soon.
Oh yeah, I should head home too. Thanks for the tea.
Anytime. We should do this more often.
Definitely. See you later, Sam.
See you, Alex.